that's paper.
Big cribs, lot of cars, enormous prices. I ain't gon' tell you what I spent, but my plug might. Get money, get pussy, smoking weed forever. Rub that money in.
What's up? Welcome to the Scumbags Instagram weekly giveaways, where every week we'll be giving out a free shirt, hoodie, beanie, hat, different shit every week. This week we're getting out a free hoodie from this picture that you guys posted up on Instagram, tagging it with free scumbags. Here's the hoodie, and now we're gonna pick out a winner.
Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbor? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers.
Now that's paper.
Straight from the projects, now I ride Maserati. The life of a mob, nigga, I think I'm John Gotti. Bank statement proof, I buy what I choose. I take 40 racks and I throw it out and I'm cool. Got all these thirsty bitches think I'm gon' pay 'em. This dick you can, but money you get snagged. No need for wristbands, the owner know who I am. 10 bottles of rosé, 2 models on both hands. My mansion.
Alright, so here's most of the contestants that are in this shit. It's time to pick out a winner. And this week's winner is gonna be Cree 88. Winner, chicken dinner, motherfucker.
Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. My mansion sitting on 40 acres. Who the neighbor? Kobe Bryant from the Lakers. Now that's paper. Kobe Bryant from